All right, so for our first set of jobs, we're taking a look on CareNet Health. CareNet Health offers a variety of remote healthcare jobs. Um, Now, these are typically pretty low paying. I feel like the highest paying, just a regular customer service or like medical receptionist job that I saw was around $17 an hour. But as you can see, they have lots of different remote positions that are starting like in the next week or so, or starting early in August. If you are a registered nurse, you could work from home in the evenings, making $34 an hour. Their qualification processes seem to be pretty easy and laid back. You do the online assessment, and it looks like you need to do it in a timely manner in order to get approved for it. But let's take a look at this healthcare customer service rep job. It looks like this is midday shift, so that's usually what, like 10 to 7 or something like that. So it says that they foster collaboration, creativity, innovation, and their promise to their team members is that they are empowering growth through trust, opportunity, and accountability. They are looking for people who want to work with an entrepreneurial spirit and deliver market leading performance. They want y'all to work real hard, y'all, but they strive to build a rapport, is what is given. So, for this role, you need to have a high school diploma or a GED, some strong computer experience, data entry, screen navigation, keyboarding, and experience working with emails, attention to detail, and things like that. Now, these are the things that you absolutely want to make sure that you have listed on your resume, right? Simple things that you can add in. And if you need some assistance with that, do hit the link in the description box below and check out some of my resume writing services or some of my templates. Okay. So they also are certified medical assistant. You can do that job remote. This one is hiring in mid-August. They do, for some of these positions, I noticed that they do have certain requirements, but it does not look like um, for this particular position that you need to live in a specific state. And again, it is remote. So kind of the same things. They want you to be a certified medical assistant, and it looks like you need a very specific type of medical assistant certification. So you need to be certified by the American Association of Medical Assistants or registered with as a medical assistant with the American Medical Technologists. So if you meet those requirements, definitely do tap in with this. You need a quiet space to work and things of that nature. Tap in with CareNet Health. You can hit the link below in the description box to see what other positions CareNet has available. Let's take a look at another company in our healthcare industry. This company is called Vesta Healthcare. I missed the main page, but they are dedicated to remote jobs. Nice to meet you. We're Vesta Healthcare. We are a specialized medical group focused today on aging adults with long-term home care needs. We help these individuals live happier, healthier lives by partnering with their aides and their caregivers. Okay, so this is very, very heavy healthcare. If you have experience there, this is good for you. Anyway, the remote position that we are taking a look at today is the program enrollment specialist. Now, I would like to preface this by saying that it is required that you are bilingual for this position. So if you speak multiple languages, English and Spanish, English and Mandarin, English and Cantonese, or English and Russian, this would be the position for you. In this particular role, they're looking for someone to help collaborate with their clients, I guess would be the best way to put that, to ensure that people are enrolled and onboarded as needed when they are getting started with this program. They are looking for someone who is open to owning program outreach education, and really getting people set up with Vesta Healthcare from start to finish. It looks like you'll be managing a call list to effectively educate their target members and their care teams on the benefits of being enrolled with Vesta Healthcare. Just a lot of things along those lines. They like to ask that you have some sort of a call center or customer service or sales background, that you're comfortable with outreach and with recruiting, that you are comfortable with being on the phone throughout the day. It does look like phones is a requirement of this job, and that you are someone who is like easily trainable and then able to reiterate what you're learning to other people. Someone with strong verbal written communication skills. Um, Pretty straightforward for a customer service job anyway. And it's customer service, but you do have the benefit of having the alternative job title. Job titles are very important, like as you are looking to grow in your career. So if you ever have an opportunity to still do customer service when customer service is your background, but do something with a better title, program enrollment specialist, program onboarding specialist, these are skills and titles that are going to be easily transferable for you to do other things in the future. Now, you definitely do want to make sure that you try to have a lot of these keywords on your resume, such as impeccable verbal and written communication skills, comfortable with electronic device control if you have experience with taking calls and things like that as well. They're looking for someone with a high school diploma at a minimum. It says that they prefer someone who's had a bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience. I really wouldn't worry about that. Anytime something says preferred, shoot your shot, friends. This job pays $50,000 a year plus commission, so there's opportunities for you to make a lot more. They match your 401k. They do pre-tax flex spending, dependent care, transit accounts, so that's very positive. You'll be able to pay for childcare and things like that as well. And then pet, home, auto, and legal insurance. That is fantastic. 12 paid holidays. And it looks like they do a one-time reimbursement for you to get your home office set up. They reimburse you for things like going to the gym, taking online classes. I think this will be a phenomenal company to work for. You can also just check out Vesta Careers in general and see what else they have available. So this is more of their open roles. Lots of things available. It really does look like they prioritize people who are bilingual. So again, if you do speak multiple languages, English, Mandarin, Russian, English is necessary, but Spanish, Mandarin, Russian, Cantonese was another one as well. You definitely want to tap in with these people because they're looking for all types of things: health coaches, medical assistants, medication review medical assistants, and they're remote. And these people are supporting you with getting your home office set up. What I also encourage like my own personal coaching clients to do when they are applying for jobs is to always set up a profile with these different websites. They have just a general application where you are able to submit your resume, even if you don't see something directly on the website that you think would work for you, so that they can keep you in mind. And that gives a lot of space for the recruiters to reach out to you should they ever have something come available in the future that fits your skills if there's not something there yet. So that is Vesta Healthcare, y'all. Do feel free to hit the link in the description box if you need some assistance with getting your resume done. Hit the link in the description box for the link to VestaHealthcare.com so that you can apply for some of their jobs, or at the bare minimum, y'all, especially if you are bilingual, and even if you're not, I say shoot your shot anyway. The worst thing they can say is a no. To just submit the general application or apply for any roles that you're interested in. So the next company on our healthcare remote job spree is Signify Health, looking to transform healthcare. At Signify Health, we celebrate a diversity of backgrounds, talents, and voices. What brings us together is a shared passion for building a better healthcare system that empowers people to live healthier and happier homes at days at home. So Again, y'all, this is another low paying job, but if this works for you, and it looks like there is unlimited monthly commission potential. So even though the starting pay begins at $15 an hour, the training is paid. It's Monday through Friday, right, from 8 to 4, and then their call center hours of operations are Monday through Sunday from 7 to 9. So it does look like there could be some potential for you to end up working weekends or working a little earlier or a little later in the day, but it does look like you would know at the time of hire what that would be. It says they have competitive benefits, PTO, tuition reimbursement, and more. So working in this role, they are seeking exceptional thinkers with heart and humility to match. They want you to join them, to support them in contacting members of various Medicare Advantage and Medicaid health plans by phone, to offer, explain, and schedule a free in-home or virtual healthcare evaluation. You will work diligently to meet department productivity, quality, and customer service goals. So that explains the commission, right? Now, it does not look like you will be cold calling at all. It says you make about 50 outbound calls per hour. Per hour. Goodness. This is heavy, heavy, heavy work, y'all. So it does look like they will do most of the work for you, but it's consistent work, and with each phone call you're making, there's an opportunity to add on to what you're making. So if you're someone who's competitive, you consider yourself to have quote unquote the gift of gab, or you are someone who's worked in sales previously, this could be a great job for you. You follow 20 plus approved scripts to ensure members understand and are comfortable with the terms. So it doesn't look like there's a ton you'd have to do except for perform. Present a positive, professional, and high energy approach to clients, healthcare plan members, and team members. Follow HIPAA, their privacy guidelines, report member complaints and escalations immediately to member engagement managers. Okay, so, and participate in peer-to-peer, side-by-side coachings as needed. It does look like, because in customer service, you definitely do encounter people who maybe are not pleased to speak with you, or they're upset, and it does look like you'll have some support there, so that's very, very positive. They're looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED. 1 year of call center experience or 2 years of general work experience is required. So listen, guys, if you're looking to I just want to slide into a remote position so that you can have that experience, this would be a good transitional role, and there's lots of opportunity for you to make more money. It does look like they will do a background check, and the company provides you with equipment. You just must have reliable and verified internet services. They'll probably make you do some sort of a speed test. So I'd say to tap in with that. The application process looks pretty straightforward. This is something you could probably get done in 5 minutes or so. Do hit the link in the description box to tap in with this particular role with Signify Health. You can also look and see what other types of jobs they have available. We're going to do a quick little dive through. We're looking for remote. It also looks like there are a lot of roles that are available in Ohio, Kentucky, just all over, but let's look for remote. Did I need to wait for it? Oh, come on now. We'll search it. Okay. I don't know. Definitely do your due diligence and search. Maybe we won't post this part, but they have lots of different jobs available on their website. Great and easy role to slide into with little to no experience working remote. It looks like as long as you've worked and you're open, they might be pretty willing, especially if you pass the background check. So tap in with that. Hit the link in the description box below for that, or if you would like to book some resume services or purchase some resume templates, you can check the link in the description box for that also.